In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the E11 error on the Epson Expression Home XP-2105 by resetting the waste ink pad counter using a free adjustment program.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When the waste ink pad counter reaches its limit, the printer stops working and the red indicator lights start flashing. This protection system helps prevent possible ink overflow. Resetting the waste ink pad counter with the correct adjustment program restores normal printer operation. If the waste ink pads are physically saturated, they should also be cleaned or replaced. Step 1. Download and extract the adjustment program. First, download the adjustment program file from the link provided in the video description. After downloading the file, extract it using a file extraction program such as WinRAR or 7-Zip. Step 2. Copy the password from the text file. Before opening the adjustment program, open the text file included in the extracted folder and copy the provided password. Step 3. Open the adjustment program. Open the adjustment program and paste the copied password into the password field to access the program.
Important note: disable your antivirus. Before opening the file, ensure that your antivirus software is turned off. Antivirus may delete the file. If your antivirus is active, it may automatically detect the file as a virus and delete it.
Select your Epson XP-2105 printer from the list by clicking the Select option. Step 5. Open the Particular Adjustment mode. Open the Particular Adjustment mode option to access the printer adjustment settings. Select the Waste Ink Pad Counter option and open it to access the counter reset settings. Check both boxes, then click Check to verify whether the waste ink pad counter has reached its limit. Click Initialize to reset the counter. Turn the printer off and then back on to complete the reset process. The reset is now complete, and your Epson Expression Home XP-2105 is ready to use again. As you can see, the printer starts normally and the flashing red lights are gone. To confirm that everything is working correctly, I'll print a test page. If your printer is working properly too, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Device Doctor, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.